Looking for the ultimate flexibility boost? You're not alone. Hundreds of students have discovered the life-changing benefits of the complete guide to stretching, and the reviews are in. This online course has earned countless 5-star ratings, and for a good reason. People just like you are experiencing life-changing benefits. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned athlete, the complete guide to stretching offers expert guidance tailored to your level. Learn the secrets to effective stretching that boosts your flexibility, reduces stress, and enhances your overall fitness. Join the community of satisfied students who are giving the complete guide to stretching rave reviews. Scan the QR code, enroll today, and see why it's the top-rated course for anyone looking to stretch their limits. Literally. Your body will thank you.